Aloha, my name is Miley Andrus-Price. Welcome to Mai's Table, where you find God in gourmet. Today I'm doing just a real simple, this is pork spare ribs. I bought it on sale for 99 cents a pound, which for Hawaii is insanely good. And I just have a sweet and spicy rub, which I will include the recipe. There's about half a cup here. It's just a dry rub, and I'm gonna just see I'm gonna start with a little bit and see how much of this half a cup I need. I'll probably end up using the whole thing. This is 4.5 pounds of spare ribs, pork spare ribs. Yeah, yummy. You do want to season all of it. I'm going to turn it over and season the other side. I am going to use all of this half a cup. If you have a little bit more, like if you have 5 pounds, then you might want to consider using 3/4 of a cup. So rub it in so that the spices get in, and I'm going to bake this for about 45 minutes to an hour. I'm going to check it to see for doneness. And ooh, it's so good with all the rosemary and the other spices in here. My mouth is drooling. So I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to bake it uncovered. I'm just going to leave it. Then I'm going to, at the very end, I'm going to add a little bit of honey. I'm going to mix some honey and some butter and a little bit of mustard. Yum. And I will pour that sauce over it. I'll show you, but I just want to tell you, the last few minutes, I'm going to put it on broil so that honey and the butter will caramelize, will join with the sugar, because there's a little bit of brown sugar in this rub. And it'll just caramelize and get a little bit crispy, and it'll make it a much more enjoyable experience, even just to look at, as well as digging in and eating. So I'm going to pop this in the oven and I'll show you what it looks like before I add the honey, butter, and mustard. I ended up cooking it for an hour, and then I cooked it under convection bake 350 for an hour, and then I broiled it just for a minute to get it bubbly. Yum. Doesn't that look good? So I hope you try this. This really didn't take that long. It's just the baking time, but mixing the rub and then putting it in the oven. You can do lots of stuff while it's cooking. And I wanted to show you that today I took 3 hours and I made several things that will prevent me from cooking for the rest of the weekend. So I made this. I made a potato salad, which I have my recipe online. And then I made a really nice peanut dressing to go with a very nice chicken salad. So it took me about maybe 3 hours to do all of this, but you know, I was videoing too and uploading videos, so maybe 2.5 hours if you set your mind to it, and that way you have the weekend free. And this is gonna last us, it's just me and my husband. It's gonna last us for quite a while. So I'm really happy about that. Even though I love to cook, I don't like cooking every day. So sometimes I just do it in chunks of time so that I can relax the rest of the few days. If you've enjoyed this, please share it with a friend, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care. Aloha. Bye.